Installing your Roomcloud is quite simple and can be done in 3 easy steps with no tools. Included with your Roomcloud is a wall outlet adapter, an extension cord, and invisible hooks. First, grab 2 of the invisible hooks and slide the hoops that are attached to your cloud onto the hooks. Prepare the surface for the hooks by dusting it with a towel or cloth. Remove the backing to reveal the adhesive and pick up your cloud by the hooks. Press and hold the hooks for 10 to 15 seconds on the ceiling or wall around a foot apart. Your Roomcloud should now be floating. Plug the extension cord into your cloud. To hide the cord and achieve the floating effect, place the first hook behind the cloud, then another 1 or 2 hooks down the wall in a straight line and insert the cord. Plug the extension cord into the wall outlet adapter and then into the wall. Now all that's left to do is install the app and connect to your cloud. And voila! Your Roomcloud is now ready to create some serious ambience.